If you're just joining us on this tractor build, we've been putting together a 48N, rebuilt the engine, went to we're literally 15 minutes from trying to start it, putting coolant in the radiator, and found that the neck is cracked on the top. So we're going to try to solder it. I don't have another radiator. I've never done this, so let's take a shot, see how we do here. Okay, so I've never heard this tractor run. This whole, I think a tree or something fell in the hood. The hood was all caved in. This has been resoldered all the way around here. This up here has been repaired. There's some dents up here. This radiator's in pretty poor shape. So the crack that's bad, that's leaking, is right here. So I think I'm just going to clean it really well. I mean, you can see that solder on there. We already used some degreaser on it. We got it looking pretty good though. Okay. There's a solder we're using. It's for plumbing, not electrical. So we'll see how we do here. I think you're supposed to use acid flux. I don't have that. Acid core solder. So here's a flux. From my understanding, the key to soldering, I've seen it done a few times, get the metal hot and let the metal melt the solder, not the flame melt the solder. It should suck into the crack from there. Get a little bit more right up in there. My concern is there's so much vibration around the neck of this radiator, I don't think it's going to hold very well. You know, just from the tractor running. Hey, radiator's all installed, filled up, should be all set, no leaks. Stay tuned for the next video. We're going to get this tractor fired up. Let's do it.